I used to crack my knuckles for fun. Now they crack on their own. For revenge. Arthritis doesn't just show up. It parks, moves in, and asks for rent. Rain? My joints feel it before the weather app does. Opening a jar? Might as well ask me to bench press a car. My fingers type like they're doing the Macarena in slow motion. People say just stay active. Bro, I am active. I'm actively regretting turning 35. Thankfully, ItHurts.com gets it. Real tools, real relief for joints that scream louder than your morning alarm.